Okay, well, let's see what we are going to create today. I think it's really something amazing. Okay, my PowerPoint is a little lagging. I don't know why. My version is too old. I must update it, but it takes money and I don't really need it to update it for now. But let's see what is the presentation look like. You see it's a great effect. Let's see how we create it. At first you need to download a picture. I don't know where I downloaded and when I downloaded and what the picture is that. Because of that, I'm just going to create it and tell you to put the picture by yourself. It's an easy thing. It's not hard. You just need to put the picture by yourself. Okay. At first, we create a shape here. It's an easy one. And then copy that. Let me just copy that. Copy that. Copy that, copy that, copy that, copy that. Okay, we select all of them and make them group and align them center. Then ungroup them. No, we set them to be grouped by now. We now need to create these two rectangles. How we are going to create that effect? We are going to use a okay, it's good. I think it's good now. We are going to take it top and then we are going to put another one here. Okay, it's good. We select both of them and make them union. Now we select both of them, but before doing that we just go here and make them ungroup. Make them ungroup and then select them and not combine, make them fragment. And now we need to just delete the annoying things. Our shape has been created. We select all of them and going to shape format and then making them what we are going to make them. We are going to make them no outline. And just we need to paste the picture to them. How we can make the paste the picture? It's easy work to do, but for your understanding, I'm going to insert a picture from the stock image. Wait a little and do the work with that. But it's easy peasy. You can use any picture you want and it's going to work. For example, let's go by this. Let me just scratch it a little. Okay, it's good now. We select all of them, go to shape format and then send fragment. You see, the problem is that the thing you think should happen shouldn't happen. But we go send it to back and then go to shape format again. When we say fragment, the magic happened. But the problem of the magic is that the picture is going to be a little larger. Now select all, go to shape format and set fragment. It's important to select which shape first and which shape second. You need to select the picture first. Now the effect has been happened. We need to just add our text and add our title. Okay, everything has been created. Now we need to copy that and we need to bring them down, make them up. Okay, and in this slide I'm going to use some tricks. What tricks? I'm going to use animation and floating. Now let's see how the magic happened. Not magic. Why? Because we forget to set the transition to morph. Now let's see the magic. Wait a little. I click on wrong thing and the problem has happened. Okay, now let's see the magic. And we can do something more amazing, like what? We can select these two and make them topper, and these two make them upper, these two make them upper, and something like this, these two. Okay, now if you review this slide, it's go in some kind of more beautiful way. Okay, this is the end of this lesson. Don't forget to ask me if you have any question in the comments. I will answer in 1 day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll appreciate your support. Have a nice time.